What's going on, YouTube? In today's video, we're back to breaking down the 5.3, and I'm a little on the lookout because I just saw the biggest spider I've ever seen. Well, one of the biggest spiders I've ever seen. It ran under my truck, under the tire, so just gotta kind of be careful today. But yeah, we're about to get back to this. So today I'm running without my microphone, so I hope the audio comes out okay. It's not windy in here, so I don't need it, and it just makes it easier for me to vlog. So yesterday we got the front assembly off, the manifolds, spark plugs, and plug wires on this side. So today I don't have a pulley puller or harmonic balancer puller. I don't think I do. So if I find one, then we'll take that off and pull the cam, or yeah, we'll do all of that. But if not, then we'll do that next video. Hopefully we do though, so I can make this one of the last breakdown videos. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get started on removing these heads because there's nothing else left for me to take off besides maybe a bracket over here. That's fine. Yeah, so alright, so I went ahead and took one head bolt out, and unfortunately I can't find my breaker bar or my torque wrench, which is what I usually use. I don't know what happened there somewhere though, but I just put the bolt down. Just put the bolt down, and you know, it looks fine to me. I don't see a problem. I don't see why I would throw this away when, you know, these, so if you don't know, these can hold a lot more than the Chinese bolts, and I believe they were even on par with the ARPs. There's a video breaking these down. Just look for it on YouTube. But I know I used the impact to get it off, but it didn't do any damage to it. So I had to use my cheap impact that I've had for like 7 or 8 years. It's actually my brother's, and even though my Milwaukee is stronger than this one does a much better job at breaking stuck bolts. I don't know, I don't get it. Milwaukee has more than twice the power, but this one does a better job at breaking bolts. So I don't know, I haven't had any problem with any bolt using this, and it's not that strong, so that's gonna help me get through this. But I'll try to use the Milwaukee to get these top bolts off, even though I really don't know. Alright, so while taking these bolts off, I didn't realize that there are bolts inside here that need to be removed, so I need to take this whole rocker assembly off. And I'm probably not going to reuse these springs or rocker arms, so maybe the rocker arms, we'll see, but I'll take them off in order because that's what they have. That's the way they have to go back. So I believe this is a 10 or 8 millimeter. It's probably an 8. I believe this is an 8, so I'll grab that and I'll start taking these off. Alright, I'm back again. I had to go all the way to Harbor Freight to get a 1/4 inch socket, or 3/8, one of them, but some kind of socket wrench that can handle the force that's going to be required to break all of these valve springs off. So I'm about to get to work on those again after an hour. So yeah, about to do that real quick. Alright, so we got a few of the rocker arms off, and everything is looking great. It didn't look like there was much wear on the rocker arms at all, so I'm probably still gonna have to change them for what I'm doing. I don't want to put this together, put it in a car, and then something break just because I was being cheap. So we're gonna change all of this. But yeah, let me get the rest of these off. Actually, I have my tripod, so let me set that up so y'all can see me take the rest of these off. so we got all of those off, and that exposes there's some bolts inside. So now we gotta undo these bolts. I'm probably gonna do it by hand now that I have a proper tool, an actual wrench that can give me some leverage. So let me grab I believe it's a 15, and the rocker arms, all the bolts of the rocker arms were 8 millimeters, so remember that. So now I'm gonna grab a 15 so I can get the rest of these up. Alright, so let's go ahead and, I believe we can go ahead and take this head off. Set this right there for a second. I have no idea how heavy these are, but I'm about to find out. Yeah, they got some weight to them. Alright, so let me grab some light so y'all can see this. Ooh, man. I'm not sure about this cylinder, but that's not looking good. Oh, man. Yeah, that does not look good at all. So, I'm not sure. If y'all see something that this looks unusable, let me know, cause I'm really not sure. I believe it's just spider webs in this block, which means this motor probably hasn't ran in a very long time. The walls don't look bad. Goodness. This motor definitely hasn't ran in a long time though. That is pretty bad. Alright, so we got this side off, and this side looks alright. All the cylinders look alright on this side, so that doesn't look too bad. We'll have to clean up. I don't have a pulley puller, harmonic balancer puller, so yeah, I have to do that probably tomorrow. But for anyone that knows about engines, or LS engines in particular, let me know what I can do with these cylinders. If I can clean them myself, I'm gonna do some research, and then let me know what the best thing is to clean this block up. So those are the two things I need to know. And yeah, so that's gonna be it for this video. We got everything off except for whatever, we still got a few things to take out, but I'll save that for tomorrow. Tomorrow will be the final breakdown, hopefully. So made all this progress, man. And for everybody that's new to building LS's, I literally have never broken down any motor in my life, and look at all of this. Literally just takes the right tools, and being able to do the research to figure out what to take off, but it's all simple. All your bolts are going to be 15 millimeter, 12, 10, and 8. No, my bad, they're going to be 15 millimeters, 10 millimeters, and 8 millimeters. So that's pretty much what this whole engine was. So tomorrow we'll pull the cam out, and as y'all saw in the last video, it needs to come out. It has some wear, but even though this motor, it might look bad, only cylinder I'm worried about is this one right here. So y'all let me know if that's okay. Anybody that has any LS experience, and I will, you know, I do believe I'm gonna rebuild, you know, clean all of this myself, save some money. So I may do that. And yeah, that's gonna be it for this video though. So again, let me know what I can do to clean this engine up, what I need, anybody that has experience, and let me know what the best thing to clean the block is, and all of this stuff. And I'll see y'all in the comments below, but that's gonna be it for this video.